Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pin Instagram post. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you complete that step, you simply need to go and open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on profile picture in the right bottom corner, and here is your profile, so you can find different posts here, so you can see that. So I want to pin that post. You simply need to select that post and click on three dots on the top right, and click on pin to your profile. And let's select another picture to pin, so I'm going to select this picture, click on three dots on the top right, and click on pin to your profile. So let's go get back to, so you can see that these both posts are pinned to my profile. So this is the process by which you can pin post on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.